Welcome to this week's Nutrition in a Minute. I'm Ginny Levy-Bomforth. We've been talking about portion control for the last couple of weeks, and I finally want to end it with some grains. So here we have some pastas, and if you look at the back of your box, it'll say that a serving size is 2 ounces. Well, this is 2 ounces of weighed pasta. As you can see, it's not really big. And when you cook it up, it's just about doubles in size. So this is actually 1 serving of pasta. This is actually a full cup of brown rice. This should make 4 servings for people once it's cooked. This is what a serving of brown rice would look like. It's a half a cup. So when we talk about portion control, it's a cup for pasta, a half a cup for rice and grains. Here I have some oatmeal. A lot of times people like the instant packets, but this is actually just as good and better in some ways. It has no sodium and much less sugar. So a serving here is to take a half a cup of the dry, mix it with a cup of water, and this is the beautiful oatmeal that you get. So you say to yourself, is that boring? Well, it doesn't have to be. So when you have oatmeal, you can sprinkle on a little bit of cinnamon ground, which actually is known to help stabilize blood sugar. And you can get really creative and sweeten it up with something natural, like a little maple syrup. So in this case, you're going to take your tablespoon. You're going to weigh out exactly 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Does that look good? So you've just taken something that was a little bit, maybe boring, and spiced it up a lot. Doesn't that look great for a cold morning? Now I know here in America we're very cereal oriented, but this is 220 calories, exactly the way it is. This little container of Cheerios, which is 1 serving, is 190 calories. Even if you put skim milk on it, it's still going to be 235 calories for something that is a little bit flaky. Not that I'm dissing Cheerios by any means, but Honey Nut Cheerios has a lot more sugar even than what this oatmeal is going to have. So that's why it's really important to measure what it is you're eating every day until you are used to seeing those smaller size. Many people that I counsel all the time eat really healthy, but they just eat too much. And last but not least, let's not forget some fun chocolate. Okay, so we have some Hershey's bars. These 2 little things together make up 1 ounce of chocolate, which is 123 calories. So think before you leap. So that's today's lesson. Really, it's about portion control. You can still eat healthy, you can eat fun, but you have to watch the amount of food you're eating. See you next week. I'm Ginny Levy-Bomforth, and this is Nutrition in a Minute. Bye-bye.